Oculus query for free each time. For instance, Mitsubishi will get the key bidding by the code on the label. First of all, Oculus. Input vehicle name. Find vehicle Mitsubishi. Input the code of the label onto the searching bar. It will show this key data. And then prepare the key blank. The guiding picture shows how to install the key blank on the machine. Pay attention. Detailed operation is very important. The key blank is more stable by this step. Click OK. Continue. If all is ready, click Cut. The cutting will take almost 50 seconds. Please take your time. Try to turn the lock. Nice cutting.